Hey guys, welcome back to Review Radar. In this video I'll show you how to make a cobblestone generator in Fortnite. So first of all, of course, let's start up our game. Okay, now to start, make sure that you have two items in your inventory, which are the water bucket and lava bucket, and let's just put them on our fast use right over here. And before doing anything else, make sure to make a 4-block holes in the ground. And now inside of our little hole, just make sure to dig another hole right over here on the 3rd block. Alright, now go ahead and pick up your water bucket and place the water right over here, pours into our little hole right over here. And now on the other side right over here on the left, make sure to pour some lava right over here on the edge. And now as you can see, cobblestone is right over here for us. Basically, when the water contacts with the lava, they make cobblestone as a result, and this is a very easy way to make cobblestone if you need it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.